and also that my electricity bill has reduced by 70% almost from the time I have installed. Hi, I'm Parashubira. I'm a customer for Immortal Solar. And Immortal Solar, thank you very much for Diwali gift. We have been taking your services and also the purchase your entire solar system. We have been experiencing very good customer service and also the prompt response for all the issues that we had. Timely subsidy has been received from the government through you, and for all the paperwork that you have been doing, I think we have been very happy. And also that my electricity bill has reduced by 70% almost from the time I have installed. Um, and more important is that now we feel confident that going forward I can afford for my whole house with such a small amount of capital, and then taking out the operational expenses out of the house. We can afford for air conditioning at home in summers, and also for a big lighting at home, which was not possible earlier due to the electricity bill. And thank you, Immortal, for all the support and also for all the AMCs that you have been providing. And we look forward for your continuing support. Thank you.